Hey Diego, Sebastian, taking the time last week to speak to me. Hey Diego, Sebastian, this is Bernie at Be Present Digital Marketing. Thank you for taking the time last week to speak with me. In this quick video, we're going to go over three things that you can start doing to beat out your competition, improve your website traffic, and bring in more online customers. Now, you may be asking, why are we making this video? Well, in our research, we found a lot of small business owners, such as yourself, are just too busy taking care of your customers and employees, and you just don't have time to learn how the internet works to bring in more customers. Now, we feel the only thing that stops you from hiring someone is that you don't know who's an expert and who's not. So I put together these attack plans. I give them away for free. Some people plans, they implement them on their own. Some people call us back and say, hey, listen, how do we get started? Whatever you guys decide to do is all good with us. The only thing that we ask is that you just give us some legitimate feedback on the video. Now, the three things we're going to go over, the first is going to be content, the second is going to be backlinks, and the third is going to be citations. Now, content is any words on your homepage. Google likes to see approximately 1,500 to 2,000 words on a homepage, depending on the number of keywords needed. Now, a keyword is anything someone may type into Google looking for a particular product or service. Now, these keywords should be placed on your website within the content, telling Google exactly the terms that you want to be found for on the internet. So, for example, if you're a plumber in Oceanside, California, you want to have words on your website like plumber, flood, leak. This tells Google, what then tells the end user that you exist. So if I take a look at your page really quickly, I can see I like your logo, Quest. I see that your phone number is being hidden here. Scroll down, give your services, learn more about your services. We can book this. I see you have a blog feed, which is great. And then you have the caption pages here. But again, Google likes to see approximately 1,500 to 2,000 words on a home page. So if I take a look at your page really quickly, we can see here you guys have about 226 words on your web page. If I take a look at your competitor who in that space, bathrooms, kitchens, and remodeling, so this is the company. Take a look, they have their phone number, contact, how it works. They also have a showroom, so they're a bigger company. But I'm just giving you an example of what a website would look like in terms of how they get this done. So we could go down, we can see they have a caption page. They have their local trust citations, Better Business, Google, Yelp. We can scroll down more. Let's see what else they have. Okay, and they have some social media posting stuff. So link to their page, which builds a lot of credibility as well. So we can take a look at their page and we can see that these guys have about 628 words on this page. Is this their home page? Just want to make sure this is their home page. Yes. Okay. And then we can take a look at another competitor here. We can see these guys have a pop-up. They do some financing. Scroll down, some of the kitchen. So let's take a look at their website quickly. One of the things that they do well is they have the Google reviews embedded into their website, which links their website to their Google business profile, which builds trust in their business as well. And Google likes to see that on the website. So if I take a look at their page really quickly, we can see that they have about 1,800 words on their website. And we'll just take a look at one more website as well. My Homes, how it works, bathrooms, kitchens, full remodeling company has their phone number. So let's see, get an estimate, their team. Again, this is a crucial linking house. So they're linking that page to their website, which builds credibility as well as has a video here, which is really nice. And if we take a look at these guys and see how many words that they have on the page, they have about 2,500 words on the page. So again, Google likes to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words. If we can optimize your site, get a nice site up, put exactly the keys that are going to be found for, as well as some relevant content, I would say at least 1,500 at minimum words on your web page, if not 2,000, explaining exactly the areas that you work in, what you guys actually do, That's going to bring in, and pair it with your Google Business Pro, that's going to bring in a lot more clients to your website and get you some more leads and some more customers. Let's get the phone ringing. So the next thing we're going to talk about is going to be a backlink. Now, backlink is a clickable link from one website to another website. Now, Google uses these links. They act as an endorsement of your website. The more backlinks you have of relevancy, the higher Google's going to rank you because they feel that people are looking for that website and giving you credibility to link to that website. So I use a backlink checker here so I can see that you guys, this is your website. Right now, your domain rating, your rating and trust reliance on your backlinks is it's a 0. And you have about 16 backlinks to your website currently. If we take a look at the top competitor, they have 1,100 backlinks, so 1,100 external links from other websites pointing back to their website, which is giving them a domain rating of about 28. Okay, so I think if we go out there and get some relevant links from your website, and we don't want to get any kind of link. You don't want to get a link from Domino's Pizza or Pizza Hut because Google knows you're not a pizza company. You want to go out there and get from other HVAC companies, from other contractors, maybe a roofing company. You want to go out there and get some local citations as well, some local backlinks as well. Better Business Bureau is great backlink. Obviously, Yellow Pages, and places like that. Now, the next thing we're going to talk about is a citation. A citation is anytime you see your name, address, and phone number, which is a NAP, NAP, appear in a directory exactly as it is on your Google Business profile. Now, these NAPs, these links, they act as an endorsement of your website, which Google uses to build trust. The more they see your website in a directory with consistency, the higher they're going to rank you, and local relevancy. So we want to get into local Manhattan directories if we're going to be doing a lot more business in Manhattan. If we're going to be doing Jersey, we want to get into the Jersey directories. One of the best directories to get into is the Chamber of Commerce, which is I believe in every local municipality. You can go in and get into the local Chamber of Commerce. Sponsoring a softball team is another way to get one of these citations and a link. So what we can do here is we take a look here and we'll see, I just did a quick search. Kitchens Remodeling NYC. So we can see that this gets about 1,300 clicks on Google every single month. So that's a huge amount of traffic. If we can capture 5% of that, 10% of that, we can see a lot more customers and a lot more jobs coming in through your website. So we know here this is a sponsored ads because you guys want to be on the first page. So they're actually paying to be up here on the first page. These are another sponsored ads, but where the sweet spot is in the map pack. So we have Home Solutions NYC, which is an Upper West Side company, which is located right here, which is exactly where we are, right? So they're showing up for this keyword, number one, and they're getting all the benefits of being number one on this page. Can we outrank them? Absolutely. We definitely have to get ourselves on the map here. New York Remodelers Inc. We can see these guys are number 2, and New York Kitchens and Bathrooms, which is a bigger company with a showroom, they're number 3. So how do we do that? We actually got to go out, optimize your website, get into more directories as these guys, and add more services to your website, pairing it with your Google Business profile. So if we take a look here, we can see these guys, right? Well, what do they do? These are the categories. They're in about 6 categories right now. So I'm sure they're probably doing general contractor, kitchen remodeling, bathroom remodeling. So again, these guys are in about 6 different categories on Google. These guys are in about 5 different categories. These guys are in 6. And if we take a look really quickly, here's your website. This is you guys. We can see, I guess you guys were downtown in the 50s now. You're probably uptown here, so we want to change that address out from the 5th Avenue address. You can see that you guys are only being found for one category, which is contractor. You can go general contractor. You can go bathrooms repair, kitchens repair, and we can find exactly all these services, kind of the categories that you want to be found for. We would go in and optimize this Google Business Profile. So that means putting pictures in, making sure your service locations are correct, making sure that you have enough categories, geotagging your photos, which is extremely important. Putting location tagging on your photos so that if you're doing a job in Manhattan, downtown, that pairs with your Google Business Profile, and Google sees that and they give you credit for that. And then if we go here, I just wanted to show you a couple of my service guys that I deal with. So we have roof repair, New Rochelle. So we have my roofing guy here. I control his Google Business Profile. I answer all his reviews. I add pictures. I do his social posts, as well as build his website and maintain the website. So he's right here in New Rochelle. He's this is number 2 in the New Rochelle area. And if I click on his website, we'll be able to take a look at it really quickly. So there's On Time Roofing. Here's his team. We built that out for him, as well as it's taking a little time to load. The owner of the company. He's got a quick video there. Solutions. Let's see, go down. And of course, we embedded his reviews into his website. And then if I take a look at another company that we deal with, roof replacement, Strasburg, PA, we can scroll down and we can see my client here, Frankie Contract LLC. This is roofing business. When we first started with him, 70 reviews, which was about 2 or 3 years ago. Now he has 287. Like I said, I do all his social posts. I do everything for this guy. He just focuses on the roofing jobs that come in. And here's his website. As this loads. So I built this out for him as header. Same day service. Click the call, get a quote. Quick caption page. We have a social, Facebook, Better Business Bureau. And get a roof, get a new roof in 3 easy steps. Goes through the steps of how to get it done. How many years he's been in business, or how many years he's been doing business. Staffers. Some pictures, some credibility. He gives this to servicemen and women. And let's just go down. Let's see what else we have. So we have Google reviews, and then we embed his Google Business Profile to link those together. Everything is related. So your website linking business profile is hugely important. And we have a caption page and the bottom page. Okay, and then if we go super hyper local, I have another one. So I have in this neighborhood, nursing me. So how do we rank for that? Very easily. If I'm sitting here and I'm on my phone, I'm looking for a nursing consultant or a bathroom refinisher in this area, I want to make sure that you guys come up number 1. So my client here, Sailor's Care Consultant, and here's their information, as well as we can click on the website and take a quick look at the website. And so here's the website, Columbus Avenue, blah, 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 agent care. This is the service that they provide. Pairing everything, Google Business Profile, everything's linked together. On that, and I handle all that for them too as well. So again, I hope this video was informative for you guys. So I think the next steps are to actually go out there and put together a new website, put more content on there, relevant content, optimize your Google Business Profile, pair everything else up together, and start to rank in this neighborhood and get on the map pack and get more calls. Again, I hope I'm happy that you guys watch this video. I'll be in touch with you guys. We can get this started as soon as possible. As soon as you get it going, the sooner we're going to start to see results and get some more calls and some more leads to your website. All right, guys, thanks for watching the video and have a great day.